My name is Laura Parker. I'm the Program Manager for the Alert Center of Excellence.
Hi, my name is David Teal. I work with Border and Maritime Security Division at DHS S&T.
I'm John Fortune. I'm the Apex Screening at Speed Program Manager in the Explosives Division at DHS Science and Technology.
I think I'm interested in sharing technology, learning some of the different viewpoints of different companies, government agencies, and trying to expand my base of knowledge. I think some of the innovative discussions that have gone on, interactive discussions, I really like the give and take in the meetings and how people interrupt people. Really, it's a little bit disruptive, but I think it's very effective.
I think the key to ADSA is really the people that come and support the conference. It's a really good group of attendees here, from industry to academia to labs to government to other stakeholders that we don't always have an opportunity to engage, and the discussion can become quite interesting and valuable. So I think really the people that come and support the conference make it what it is.
For Alert, it's a great opportunity to bring people together. You know, we really don't work in a vacuum anymore with technology, and through ADSA, Alert's able to do a lot more outreach.
So my expectation was that it was a stuffy academic forum without really any valuable insight, but I think it's the mixture of the academics with the industry people in a collaborative fashion, providing solutions to DHS that makes it so unique.
It also isn't quite as technical. I mean, there are a lot of technical conferences that you can go to. This is a really interesting mix of in between technical and just pure policy. So I find that to be a great strength, and I get feedback that that's part of the strength of the ADSA workshops as well.